Hi everyone! If you're new here, I'm Allen with Earthglow, and this channel is all about sharing the joy of candle making. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing some candle supplies that I got a couple of days ago in the mail from Candlescience. And these are some fragrance oils that I needed to restock on for my winter collection, as well as some fragrance oils that are newer ones to me that I think I first tried out when I got their 2022 holiday collection oils. So I did order some of my favorites from those collections and I'm so excited to smell them again. And yeah, so we're gonna be doing an unboxing and these videos are so fun to film. I've got my Earl Grey tea here with cream and I'm just so excited, you all. I literally get excited like a 5-year-old. Even though I've ordered supplies so many times, it's almost like it's new every single time I get supplies in the mail, especially fragrance oils, because if you all haven't noticed by now, I'm a little bit obsessed with fragrances and proud. But anyways, if this is something that you're interested in, then I hope that you're subscribed and I hope that you keep on watching. All right, so here we go. I honestly don't even know if the camera is in focus or what you're even able to see exactly, but we're gonna cut this guy open here and yeah, without a box cutter, because y'all know I don't have one of those, but oh my God, yay! Okay, so we've got, let me see if I can get you all a little bit more zoomed in here. So just so you can all kind of see, this is how Candlescience typically packages their order. They use these biodegradable packing peanuts. But yeah, so I ordered this Peppercorn pomander again, and I did have this in my collection a few years ago, and it was very polarizing, but most of my clients I don't think were really too into it, but I did have some people that just loved it, so I decided to bring it back for them. And okay, I gotta smell it here while we're doing this. Oh yeah, it's okay. Like, this is not for everyone at all. Certainly not my scent, but it's a really good thrower. And then I ordered this mistletoe fragrance, and this is one of my all-time bestsellers in my Winter Wonderland collection. And I think I got 2 of these. I got their 20% off sale. I tried to stock up on a bunch of holiday scents. I'm gonna try to zoom you all back out here so you can see me kind of smelling and reacting to these fragrances, because this is literally my favorite part of opening any box. I literally have to smell every single oil. Okay, I totally don't know what I'm doing at all with this camera. Okay, let's see if we can, that's a horrible angle. Okay, I don't even know if this angle is any good, but who cares? Let's just look at the fragrances and hope that we are in focus. So I got this campfire marshmallow, and if any of you watched my fragrance when I first unboxed this, like the little sample, I got pretty excited because to me this smells like a pretty sophisticated campfire type scent, not like their fireside at all. Like, this is not a smoke in your hair type of a campfire. And when I did burn this, a lot of the sweet notes did come out more, and I was a little bit disappointed in that, but I still do think that this was better than my other favorite campfire that I had smelled and that I had in my Winter Wonderland collection from Aztec. I think they call it Marshmallow Fireside. I think it's a BBW type. And I would say that this one is a little bit stronger of a thrower and it has a little bit less sweet notes. So I am probably gonna be changing over to this Candlescience Campfire Marshmallow. And then, okay, I just have to smell this mistletoe one more time. This scent is so good. Like, this is, if you wanna smell Christmas in a bottle, literally, it's not Fraser Fir. It is this mistletoe fragrance. It is so good. Like, this is everything I could want from like a balsam, but it has like that sparkle to it. It's like, it's so beautiful and elevated and exciting almost. Like it just has, I think it's gotta have lemon or some type of citrus as a top note in order for it to give that effect. But this fragrance literally gives me chills every time I smell it, and this is such a good thrower. I just gotta show you all. I think I have one of my labels. Let me see if I do so I can show you what my candles look like in my winter collection with this. Okay, so I don't have a top label here, but isn't this literally the cutest thing? Like with the little mistletoe in the background. And if you all like this image, you can get it from Adobe Stock. I don't know if I can post a link, but I think if you just look up mistletoe on Adobe Stock, but this is what I have as my label. And my top label is like a whole 2.875 inch circle of that. And yeah, I don't have any more of these left over. This was one that I actually burned, and I don't know what I did with the lid. Do you ever do that with your candles? Like you burn them and you don't know where you put the lids, or is that just me? And then the next one that I did order is this hot apple pie. I thought Candlescience discontinued this, and you all know I was so sad because for a while it seemed like it was gone from their website, and now it's back. So, oh my God. The scent is so nostalgic. This is literally like baked apple pie, like their banana bread, where it just fills your home with this freshly baked gourmand fragrance without having to bake. And oh my God, yes, this is so gonna be in my rustic collection. As I told you all, I really hope they don't take it away again. I don't know what they were doing with it, because like, it was already a clean scent and it just like disappeared for a while. But anyways, this hot apple pie, I did order a 16-ounce bottle of. And then let's see what else we have. Oh yeah, so I got more Wassail, and I told you all this fragrance is like my best seller. Well, last year it was. I did not have this in my line before last year in my Winter Wonderland collection. But hands down, this scent was the most popular of anything I had, and the mistletoe I would say was next. At least that's the case last year. But yeah, this Wassail, it is like a mulled wine. It's a very classic holiday type of a treat. And so I definitely had to stock up on that one. And I think I did get two 16-ounce bottles of that one. Yeah, got another 16-ounce of the Wassail here. And then, oh my God, yes, I forgot I ordered this. So this is the Cashmere Musk, and this was one of the new fragrances that was in their, I wanna say their spring or their summer 2022 collection. This scent, oh my God. Okay, so they only gave this one 2 scent leaves, but honestly, when I made this into a tester candle, when I got the 1-ounce bottle and made it into a test candle, I was happy with the scent throw in my 464 wax. And so I'm not disappointed in this one at all. I don't know why they only gave it 2 scent leaves, but this is such a unique upscale scent. You definitely get a nice balance of cashmere and musk, but there are so many other notes to this one that it's just so cohesive. I don't even know what collection I'm gonna put this in. Probably something where I'm gonna make it into wax melts, and stay tuned for that video because I'm gonna be posting it soon. I've been testing my beeswax, soy, and cocoa cream wax blend in melts, and it's turning out so good. So if any of you use my blend or you wondered how it works in wax melts, that is to come. I'm definitely gonna be posting a video making them and then just kind of talking about it and how it works in that form. By the way, I am new to making melts myself. I've made candles for I think going on 4.5 to 5 years, but wax melts, I literally just started making them a few months ago. I was not into them, but I did have a lot of people requesting them, so we will see. But let's, so we also have, oh my God, yes. So this was my favorite one from their winter 2022 collection, this Woodland Snow. Bottle is not very full on this one either, and this was a pretty expensive oil for Candlescience, but these bottles are gonna be by weight, so it is, each oil has a little bit of a different density, so this must just be a little bit more of a dense oil. But yeah, this Woodland Snow, Oh my God, this literally smells cold, and it smells like a lodge, like in the winter time where outside everything is white and there's just barren trees and you're staying inside this winter retreat and it's like a brick lodge and you're like around a fireplace and you're just looking outside at the white forest and you're burning your woodland snow candle. Oh my God, this fragrance is a story. And got my receipt here just so you all can see. I'm gonna try to cover up my address a little bit, but these, I did end up getting them all, I think 20% off because they had a promotion for fall and holiday scents where they were 20% off. So I did end up saving $57.75, which I thought was pretty good. And I always play around with my shipping on these orders as well, because sometimes if you don't, it can jump and you don't always know when it's gonna jump. So you just kind of have to like bring things in and out of your cart and just kind of play around with it to see where that shipping kind of jumps. Okay, and then I also got this Macintosh apple. So I got the hot apple pie, but then I also got the classic Macintosh apple. Oh my God, this is such a reminiscent fragrance to me of the Yankee Candle Macintosh apple. I grew up with that scent. That was one of my mom's all-time favorite fall fragrances from Yankee Candle. And this literally smells like a dupe for that, if you like that Yankee scent. And yeah, I haven't done too much testing with this fragrance. I did get a 1 ounce bottle of it, and I think I tried it like months ago and was pretty happy with it, but I will keep you all posted with how this one works. I'm not even sure what collection I'm gonna put this in. I may put it into my fall collection. I may also put this one into my rustic collection, but then again, I do already have the hot apple pie. So story of my life, I have too many fragrances once again, and I don't, well, take that back. There's no such thing as too many fragrances, but I don't know like how I'm even gonna use this one. Probably in my fall collection. But that is to be decided. And then, oh yeah, apparently I bought two. I bought two of the Macintosh. And then we got, yep, another bottle of Woodland Snow. I was contemplating getting a 5-pound bucket of this, but since I didn't know how it was gonna sell, I was kind of like, you know what, I'm just gonna get the two 16-ounce bottles for now and we will see. I'm really trying to just get 16-ounce bottles because for my fall and winter collections, because I have so many scents that, you know, generally you're gonna be okay for the 5-pound buckets if you store them in the dark after like the first 2 years, I would say, for most scents. Maybe push it on 3, but not all of them for sure. They do definitely degrade at different times, and you do always want to store them in the pitch dark, which is why my fragrances I store in the basement in filing cabinets, so it's very cold and dark. But yeah, so I am trying to get these fall and winter scents just in the 16-ounce bottles for now. So I did just go ahead and grab 2 of those Woodland Snows. And then what else do we have? Oh yeah, I got 2 mistletoes. So this is just another bottle of mistletoe. And then, oh, I'm so excited to smell this. So for my free sample, I got this sugared chestnut, and I never smelled this fragrance. I know it was part of their collection, I think last year. And I heard a lot of people raving about this scent. So I was like, you know, I need to try it. So I've never smelled this. Ooh. Oh, this is really interesting. This definitely smells like a chestnut, but you do get a lot of sugar. I'm curious how this is gonna throw in soy wax and 464. I'm honestly not loving it as much as I thought that I would out of the bottle. It does kind of almost have like a burned smell to it. And yeah, you do get kind of a lot of like caramelized sugar. Did I drop the little white thing? No, okay, it's in the bottle. Yeah, you do get kind of the caramelized sugar with this one, a lot of it. And I do smell the chestnut, but I wish that there was a little bit more kind of maybe musk or maybe cashmere or cedar. To this one, it's just a little bit disappointing out of the bottle. What else do we have? So, oh yeah, I also ordered 2 of these pouring pitchers. I think I have 8 or 10. So I did go ahead and order 2 more. And these things, I think they're like $8, I wanna say. Not too bad, but the shipping on them is kind of a lot. So I did like price check on Amazon, and I think they're like $20, I wanna say, on Amazon. So it is still a better deal, I think, to get them on Candlescience, but just to kind of get them when you do have that extra, you know, when you're playing around with your shipping and you have that extra little bit where you can add something and it doesn't like jump $20 or whatever. So that's why I did go ahead and grab a couple more pouring pitchers on this order. So I got 2 more pouring pitchers. And then we also have, oh, I forgot I ordered this. So ginger and spice. I've never smelled this fragrance. Probably shouldn't have ordered a 16-ounce bottle, having never smelled this one. But I saw a lot of people absolutely raving about this scent in the reviews. And so I was like, you know what? I gotta smell it and I don't wanna miss out. So I got a 16-ounce bottle and I'm so excited to smell this for the first time. Ooh. Oh my God, I just whacked myself in the face with the cap. Okay. This smells almost like one of those ginger candies. I don't know if any of you have tried like those sugar candies that have ginger on them. Curious what this one smells like on a bladder strip. Hold on a second, let me grab one. Oh my God, I just like sprayed this all over my shirt. Yeah, it's about the same. It's good. It has something that's almost like sassafras to it, or like almost like a Fruit Loops note, like that sassafras note. If any of you know what I'm talking about, kind of out of the bottle with this one, but you definitely do get the ginger, and I am picking up like some cardamom, some clove, maybe some little bit of allspice. Definitely not any cinnamon that I'm picking up personally out of the bottle, but yeah, this one, honestly, I'm not sure why so many people are so crazy about it. I do like it, like don't get me wrong, but I am kind of curious to see how this one is gonna perform in my 464 soy, because it's honestly not blowing me away out of the bottle to the extent that I thought it would. So I guess that is all for today's video, and don't forget to leave me a comment down below if you have tried any of these fragrances or have them in your collection, or if there are any holiday fragrances for the fall or winter that you really love that you think that I need to check out, or you wonder if I am aware of them, because I am always interested in checking out more fragrances. But thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to leave this video a thumbs up if you did enjoy it. And don't forget to tap the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from me. But anyways, I hope you all have an absolutely beautiful week. And I'm sending you all peace, love, and light, and wishing you all happy candle making.